If you're over 60 and shopping for a used car, dealers may push you toward overpriced cars with features you don't need and repairs you don't want. But there are cheaper, simpler, reliable cars that are easy to drive, affordable to insure, and built to last. So let's get into the 10 dirt cheap used cars that can outlast many new cars today. Number 10. Mercury Grand Marquis / Ford Crown Victoria, 1998 to 2011. The Mercury Grand Marquis and Ford Crown Victoria are built on Ford's legendary Panther platform, a full body-on-frame steel chassis that was engineered to absorb punishment and keep moving. This is the same platform that powered police cruisers and taxicabs for decades. Think about what that means. These cars were driven hard, maintained minimally in fleet environments, and they kept running. That's not marketing. That's a real-world stress test that lasted 30 years. The 4.6-liter V8 under the hood is one of the most well-documented engines in American automotive history. Every mechanic in the country has worked on one. Parts are so abundant and cheap that repairs that would cost thousands on a modern vehicle cost hundreds here. The simplicity of this engine is its superpower. No turbos, no direct injection complexity, no dual-clutch transmission drama. Just a naturally aspirated V8 that wants to run. The ride quality on these cars is genuinely remarkable. Buick soft, living room smooth, potholes and rough pavement simply disappear beneath you. The front bench seat means no awkward center console to navigate. The trunk is over 20 cubic feet. You could pack for a month-long road trip and still have room. Find a clean example for $4,000 to $7,000, and you've bought yourself a car that will likely outlast 3 new vehicles purchased by the person who laughed at you in the parking lot. Number 9. Buick LeSabre, 2000 to 2005. If the Crown Vic is the blue-collar workhorse of this list, the Buick LeSabre is the quiet professional, and it might be the most underrated American car of the last 30 years. The star of this vehicle is the 3800 Series 2 V6, a 3.8-liter engine that has achieved near-mythical status among mechanics and long-term owners. This is not hyperbole. Automotive publications, independent mechanics, and owner communities consistently rank the 3800 Series 2 as one of the most durable and reliable V6 engines ever produced by an American manufacturer. We're talking documented cases of 200,000 to 300,000 miles with routine maintenance and nothing catastrophic. Parts cost almost nothing. The engine is simple, well understood, and has been serviced by mechanics across the country for decades. If something does go wrong, and eventually something always does, you're not looking at a $2,000 diagnostic bill before the repair even starts. The LeSabre was engineered for maximum comfort and minimum effort. The suspension tuning is soft and isolating in a way that modern efficiency-focused vehicles simply don't replicate. Road noise is minimal. The cabin is quiet. The seats are wide and supportive. Getting in and out requires almost no physical effort. The doors open wide and the sill height is low. You can find clean, well-maintained LeSabres for $3,500 to $6,000. For a car with this level of mechanical credibility, that price is almost offensive. This is one of the best pure value plays on the entire used car market right now. Number 8. Toyota Camry, 7th generation, 2002 to 2006. Some people call this generation the peak Camry. After driving one, it's hard to argue with that. The 2002 to 2006 Toyota Camry was built during an era when Toyota's entire brand identity was staked on one promise: reliability above everything else. And this generation is the fullest expression of that promise. The engineering is conservative by design. The components are overbuilt for the segment. The result is a car that simply refuses to die. The 2AZ-FE 4-cylinder and the 1MZ-FE V6 powering these Camrys are both legendary in the Toyota community. Owners consistently report crossing 250,000 miles with nothing beyond oil changes and scheduled maintenance. These aren't cherry-picked stories. This is the expected outcome for a well-maintained example. From a practicality standpoint, this generation Camry is a masterclass in usability. The instrument cluster is clean and high contrast. The climate controls are physical knobs, no menu diving, no touchscreen frustration. The roof pillars are thin, giving you an almost unobstructed view in every direction. Parking is effortless. Visibility is exceptional. Parts are available at every auto parts store in America. Any mechanic can work on it. Repair costs are among the lowest in the segment. and you can find clean examples for $5,000 to $8,000, sometimes less if you're patient and willing to look. For someone who wants a car that starts every single morning without drama and never surprises them with a catastrophic repair bill, the 7th Gen Camry is as close to a guaranteed outcome as the used car market offers. Number 7. Honda CR-V, 3rd generation, 2007 to 2011. The 3rd generation Honda CR-V might be the most space-efficient small SUV ever built, and the market is still sleeping on it. This generation CR-V is a box on wheels in the absolute best sense of that phrase. Every cubic inch of the interior is usable. The windows are enormous. You can see the front corners of the hood, the rear corners of the car, and virtually everything in between. In an era of modern crossovers with tiny windows and thick pillars that create massive blind spots, the visibility in this CR-V is almost shocking in how good it is. The K24 engine powering this generation is one of Honda's finest achievements. It's a naturally aspirated, interference-designed 4-cylinder that rewards regular oil changes with extraordinary longevity. Properly maintained examples routinely hit 200,000 to 250,000 miles without major mechanical issues. The engine is simple, well-documented, and inexpensive to service. One detail that separates this CR-V from competitors: the gear shifter is mounted high on the dashboard, right near the steering wheel. You don't have to reach down between the seats to shift. It's right there, intuitive and accessible. Small design choice, massive real-world impact. The rear doors on this generation swing open to a full 90 degrees, making loading cargo, groceries, or anything bulky dramatically easier than most competitors. The cargo floor is low. The interior is practical in ways that modern crossovers, obsessed with styling over function, have completely abandoned. Find a clean example for $7,000 to $11,000, and you've got a highly capable, genuinely practical small SUV that will serve you faithfully for years. Number 6. Mazda CX-5, 1st generation, 2013 to 2016. Every car on this list was chosen for reliability and value. But the Mazda CX-5 earns its spot for one extra reason: it's actually fun to drive. Most small SUVs feel dull. The steering is vague, the CVT drones, and the cabin is overloaded with screens. The CX-5 is different. Mazda built it around the idea of Jinba Itai, horse and rider as one, meaning the car should feel connected to the driver, not like a machine you're fighting. And you feel that right away. The steering has real feedback. The traditional 6-speed automatic is smooth and predictable. The suspension feels planted without being harsh. It drives like a small SUV built by people who still care about the driving experience. Under the hood, the 2.5-liter Skyactiv engine is simple, proven, and easy to maintain. Ownership costs stay low, and real-world reliability has been excellent. Inside, Mazda also keeps things smart. Instead of forcing you to tap a screen while driving, the CX-5 uses a rotary controller so you can scroll and click by feel with your eyes on the road. From 2016 and newer, many trims came with adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and lane departure warning. Find one around $12,000 to $16,000, and you're getting a modern, safe, reliable SUV that drives better than almost anything near the price. For buyers who want practicality without giving up enjoyment, the CX-5 is the one. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit like button and subscribe. Number 5. Subaru Forester, 3rd Gen, 2009 to 2013. If you live somewhere with real weather, snow, rain, ice, and rough back roads, the 3rd generation Subaru Forester deserves serious attention. What makes this Forester special is visibility. Subaru designed the A-pillars to be as thin as possible, and the windows are unusually tall. Owners call it the fishbowl effect because you can see almost everything around you: the corners of the car, pedestrians, parking lines, and traffic hiding beside you. In a world where modern SUVs feel like rolling blind spots, that visibility is a huge advantage. Then you add standard Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive. This is not just a badge or a system that reacts after the tires slip. It is always working, balanced, and confidence-inspiring in bad weather, snow, gravel, and unpaved roads. The seating position is also just right. You sit high enough to see the road clearly, but not so high that climbing in and out becomes difficult. The low door sills make entry and exit easy and natural. Now, the EJ25 engine does have one important warning: head gaskets. It is a known Subaru issue, so any used Forester needs a proper inspection and proof of maintenance before purchase. But find a clean one with records, usually around $8,000 to $13,000, and you get a practical, all-weather SUV with excellent visibility and proven AWD. For the right buyer in the right climate, this may be the smartest choice on the list. Number 4. Toyota RAV4, 3rd and 4th Gen, 2006 to 2018. Now we're entering the top 4, and this next SUV is here for one simple reason. It may be one of the most dependable compact SUVs ever built. The Toyota RAV4, especially the 3rd generation from 2006 to 2012 and the 4th generation from 2013 to 2018, is not flashy. It is not exciting. It is just brutally reliable. It starts, it runs, and with basic maintenance, it keeps going for an absurd number of miles. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine used in these models is one of Toyota's great workhorses. Owners regularly push these SUVs past 200,000 miles without major mechanical drama. That is the Toyota formula: simple engineering, proven parts, and long-term durability. It is also practical. The cargo floor is low, so loading groceries, luggage, or heavy items is easy. Fold the rear seats down, and you get over 70 cubic feet of space. Real SUV utility without the size of a truck. Available all-wheel drive gives extra confidence in rain, snow, and slippery roads, and it engages before things get ugly, not after. If you can find a 2017 or 2018 model, you also get Toyota Safety Sense with pre-collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure alert. 3rd Gen RAV4s usually run $9,000 to $14,000. 4th Gens are closer to $13,000 to $19,000. Either way, this is proven reliability at a used car price. For many buyers, it is the safest bet on the entire list today overall. Number 3. Lexus ES35, 4th Gen, 2007 to 2012. The 4th generation Lexus ES35 is one of the quietest used cars you can buy for the money. Lexus puts serious work into noise, vibration, and harshness control, and you feel it immediately. Even older examples stay calm and quiet at highway speeds. Wind noise is low, road noise is controlled, and the cabin feels peaceful in a way most modern economy cars still cannot match. Inside, everything feels solid. The buttons, knobs, seats, and materials all have that old-school Lexus quality. The seats are wide and supportive, and many trims came with heating and ventilation. The moment you sit in it, the car feels like it was built to a higher standard. But here is the part most buyers miss. Underneath, the ES350 is closely related to the Toyota Camry. That means proven Toyota engineering, a reliable V6, available parts, and repair costs much closer to Camry money than European luxury money. A good independent mechanic can work on it, and you are not trapped paying luxury brand repair prices. That is what makes this car such an incredible value. You get the comfort and quiet of a luxury sedan, but the ownership costs of something far more ordinary. Target the 2009 to 2012 models. Find a clean one with service records for around $11,000 to $16,000, and you are getting real Lexus luxury for a shockingly low price. Car number 2, Lexus RX 350, 3rd Gen, 2010 to 2015. If there is a gold standard for used luxury crossovers, it is the 3rd generation Lexus RX 350. This vehicle helped define the luxury crossover formula everyone else has been chasing. Lexus understood the assignment: make it comfortable, quiet, easy to live with, and dependable enough to keep for a very long time. The first thing you notice is the entry height. The seat sits almost perfectly at hip level for most adults, so getting in is not a climb and not a drop. You simply slide in. That sounds simple, but it is exactly the kind of thoughtful engineering that makes the RX so easy to own, especially for older buyers. Then there is the quietness. At highway speeds, the cabin feels calm and insulated, even in older examples. Less noise means less fatigue, and that matters if you spend real time behind the wheel. Mechanics also love these compared to European luxury SUVs. Under the Lexus badge, the RX 350 is built with proven Toyota engineering. The engine is durable, parts are easy to find, and labor costs are reasonable. It feels premium, but it does not punish you with premium repair bills. That is the magic of the RX 350. The badge says Lexus, but the ownership costs are much closer to Toyota. Target the 2013 to 2015 models. A clean one with service records usually runs $14,000 to $19,000, and for that money, it is hard to beat right now. Car number 1, Toyota Avalon, 3rd Gen, 2005 to 2012. And the number 1 spot goes to the car people call the Japanese Buick. And honestly, that is a compliment. The 3rd generation Toyota Avalon, especially the 2005 to 2012 models, is everything this list is about. It is a full-size sedan built to be quiet, comfortable, reliable, and effortless for hundreds of thousands of miles. Under the hood is Toyota's 2GR-FE 3.5-liter V6, one of the most trusted engines Toyota ever made. With basic maintenance, owners regularly report 250,000 to 300,000 miles without major repairs. That is not rare with this car. That is what it was built to do. Inside, the Avalon is simple in the best way. Large, easy-to-read gauges, real climate control knobs, wide, soft seats that are easy to get in and out of. Some trims even came with bench-style front seating and reclining rear seats, features you almost never see anymore. On the road, it is smooth, quiet, and relaxed. The suspension is soft, road noise is low, and highway driving feels calm in a way modern economy cars often cannot match. Here is the bottom line. This may be the last car you ever need to buy. Not because it is flashy, but because it is reliable, comfortable, cheap to own, and built to last. Find a well-maintained 2009 to 2012 Avalon for $8,000 to $13,000, and you have one of the smartest used car buys on the market. Properly maintained, it can easily deliver another 100,000 miles. 10 cars, all dirt cheap, all built to go the distance. Any one of them will outlast a brand new vehicle that costs 5 times as much, as long as you maintain it. Do you own any of these cars? Drop it in the comments and tell me your experience. How many miles are you sitting at? And if you enjoyed the content, smash that like button and subscribe for more auto content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.